What is going on, guys? Today we are going to be making you guys or showing you guys how to make a basic emote with is just a simple word. We're going to show you how to make it transparent, gradient colors, what blends good together, and let's get into it. All right, here we are at Photoshop. What we're going to do is we're going to go up to File. All right, File, we're going to hit New. And we are going to make it 112 by 112. 112 width. And make sure it's on pixels. All right, we're going to go ahead and hit Create. It's going to give you a little square. Now, whatever you put inside this square is now your emote. Super simple, right? So you guys got it. You make that 112 by 112 size. Because Twitch has a smart feature where it'll automatically resize, or you don't have to. Before, you used to have to put 3 separate sizes in order for it to work, but now all you have to do is that with the sub badges now. So we're gonna go ahead and unlock it, as you guys see here. Just simply unlock, because you know what we're gonna do. That's your background to how to make it transparent. All right, let's get into it. We are gonna hit our letter tool here. We're gonna click on this, and we're gonna make a simple. Let's see, hype emote, right? Type in hype. You guys can't see it. Let's just make it a color you can see. And we're going to go with, I like the sound bubble demo. That's like one of my favorite fonts to use. And we're going to go ahead and there you go. There's your hype. So you can, you can simply let's make it a sub hype so you can see the double tiers. So you're just going to do the same exact thing that we literally just did with the sub. So we'll go ahead and click this. Type in sub. We're going to hit Control T. Control T is how you resize it. And we're just going to make it a little smaller for now until we can resize it. So right now, everything is all, inside the square. We're going to go to our select tool. We're going to take, let's take the hype. Let's take the hype. We're going to hit Control T on the hype. And we're going to hold shift. Holding shift is going to stretch something. So here we go. We're going to hold shift. We're going to make it roughly like that because we're going to put an outer glow on it, which helps out when it is on a, the dark mode on Twitch or even the light mode on Twitch. So we're just going to simply make it like that. Okay. Now we're going to do the same thing. Control T and then hold shift with the same thing with sub. Just like so. All right, now you got your emote, sub hype. Let's go, right? Now let's see. Actually, I just saw it. We gotta make it center. There we go. That looks good. Okay, you play it around with it, however you want to play around with it. We are gonna go to the hype. All right, we're gonna customize hype. Just double click it, or you hit the FX thing on the bottom here. That's gonna bring up the layer style. All right. We are going to go to gradient. Just check it. Click on it. All right. Let's select. Let's see, what good, we like a good pink. Let's do like the pinkish white, pink to white. I think that would look cool. So you pretty much go with whatever you think will look cool. You can't really see it now, but just wait until we go ahead and hit this outer glow. Once we hit the outer glow, boom, it pops. It pops, all right? So once you got that all squared away and you want the same thing for the top, so the same thing for the sub, just hit OK. And you're going to right click hype and you're going to go over to copy layer style, go over to sub, right click that and go paste layer style. What that does, boom, it makes the same exact thing. So you don't got to, try to get the colors right, and it makes it perfectly. So now we see it's a little cut off. So we're going to make this a little smaller. We can actually probably make sub smaller. We should make sub smaller because it's a smaller word, right? And then it looks like it's like pyramid. It looks, nicer. Perfect, right there. This font is one of my favorite fonts ever. So we still have the background on it. So what we're gonna do is scroll down here. Your layer 0, whatever it starts off with, just get rid of it. Boom, and that's your simple emote. Now to export it, we're just gonna go to File, Export. You could do quick export as PNG or just export as whatever you want. We're gonna go ahead and do quick export. Go into our pictures. and do emo, and now hit save. All right. And now what you're going to do is going to go over to your Twitch, and you're going to go ahead and put them in through your emotes. And it should be super simple. If it's your first time, I don't know if this is true or not because I haven't done it in a very long time, but if it's your first time setting up your emotes, you may have to have 3 separate sizes. And in that case, you're just going to do the same exact thing we just did. But when we hit 112 by 112 in the beginning, you're going to hit like 56 by 56 or 12 by 12 or whatever it tells you to put in there. But that is your simple emote, no matter what. I mean, you can even simply take your logo in, like, let's say you don't want sub, you get rid of it and you put your logo or, you know, a picture, like a cartoon picture of you with the hype, whatever you want to do with it, you customize it to however you want. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to leave the questions down in the comments below, and I'll feel free to answer any questions you guys have. All right. Stay awesome and stay blessed, my friends. Positive comment shout out goes to Toots Plays. She says, "You guys are so cute and wonderful together. You both make me smile when I see how cute you are together and how much you love and support one another. I think you guys are probably old souls. Way more put together than some couples your age. Love your faces." We love you too, Toots, and thank you so much for all the support. I really, truly appreciate it. If you want to be getting your shout out, make sure you guys leave a positive comment down below, and we'll see you next video.